What if I told you that you could make over $290 every single day by monetizing your AI services? I'm talking about turning your artistic passion into a lucrative source of income. Imagine generating stunning digital artwork with just a few clicks and selling them for a profit. With the rise of AI-powered image generators like Midjourney, you can now turn this dream into a reality. In this video, I'll show you 5 profitable ways to monetize your Midjourney artworks and how to turn your creativity into a sustainable business. So, grab your pen and jotter and get ready to make money. You're probably itching to know how to up your passive income game with Midjourney, and we'll get there in a minute, I promise. But first, what exactly is Midjourney? Midjourney is an innovative research lab that has been making significant strides in the world of artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge AI program has the remarkable ability to generate visual content just from text descriptions, putting it in the same league as other top AI programs like Stable Diffusion and OpenAI's DALL-E. Midjourney's artistic AI capabilities go beyond mere image creation. With its unique style and advanced algorithms, it empowers artists and creatives to bring their imaginations to life in ways they never thought possible. From surreal landscapes to abstract compositions, the possibilities are endless with Midjourney. It's not just a tool, it's a creative partner that inspires and pushes boundaries, allowing artists to explore uncharted territories of expression. And if this is you, this video is for you. So, now that we have that out of the way, let's get into how you can make over $250 every day with Midjourney. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive in. Number 1. Create and sell children's storybooks and graphic novels. This children's graphic storybook has made over $50,000 in sales. The book has 8,477 ratings. When you multiply that by $6.79, that is $57,558. This one has made over a mind-blowing $250,000. It has 23,378 ratings. Multiply that by $11.04 and you get $258,093. Those are crazy figures, almost too good to believe, but you've seen them. That can also be you. If you want to make good money from AI-generated art, self-publishing children's books and graphic novels is a great option. If you don't know how to do this, your AI bestie has got you. But before we continue, I'll just give you the good news. The good news is that this whole process of creating children's storybooks is 100% free. That's right. So, how does this work? Simple. You can type your idea, and ChatGPT will flesh it out for you. ChatGPT can give you an idea for the storybook, the title, what the story is about, an outline, and also write the entire storybook from the outline. If you'd like to know other ways to make money with ChatGPT, you can watch this video here. The next step is to bring the story to life with illustrations. Normally, you'd have to pay lots of money, but you can do that for free with Midjourney. All you have to do is input a prompt, which could be what you have in mind, and voila! There you have it. Midjourney gives you the option to upscale the image or have different variations. Once your storybook is ready, you can self-publish on Amazon or eBay. Fortunately, these online marketplaces accept AI-generated art. By self-publishing, you can retain control and distribution of your work while enjoying the royalties. Would you try this out? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. The second on my list is to sell AI-generated stock photos. There's no limit to the type of graphic elements you can make using AI tools to sell online. From website backgrounds and illustrations to mobile wallpapers, the sky is the limit. There are different ways you can make money by selling AI-generated graphics online. You can opt to sell your artwork on stock image websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, Stock AI, and Adobe Stock. Bear in mind that these websites each have varying policies regarding AI-generated images, so do your research to avoid your designs getting rejected. Another option is to sell your graphic designs on an online marketplace like Etsy. the go-to marketplace for selling digital products. And if you don't fancy Etsy, Creative Market is another great marketplace for selling graphic designs and photos. Alternatively, you can go the route of creating your own website and selling your graphics there. The third way to make over $200 every day with Midjourney is by selling AI-generated art for print on demand. Selling art prints is one of the most lucrative ways to monetize AI art, and I'm not just talking about t-shirt printing. You can sell customized designs for different products through print-on-demand or POD services. So, how do you go about it? You can create a design and upload it to POD websites like Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Cafe Press, Teespring, Displate, Zazzle, TeePublic, or Printify. These websites will print your Midjourney designs onto products like phone cases, mugs, t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, and more. If you find this video valuable, go ahead and hit that like button and share it with anyone looking for ways to make more money. Now, did you know that you can sell AI art generation as a service? That's the fourth tip on my list. There is a growing market for AI art, and clients are looking for talented AI artists like you to showcase your creativity. If you want to gain a significant edge over other AI artists, you will need to create outstanding artwork that sets you apart from others. Thanks to Midjourney, you can now create stunning digital artwork, which makes for a better portfolio that then attracts high-paying clients. This will help you build a solid reputation in the industry. The first step to doing this is to create a portfolio that highlights your skills. Then, you head over to online marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, or even LinkedIn, so you can have an idea of what to charge. And the fifth way to make money with Midjourney is to create content about AI art. There are many ways to make money by creating content about AI art. You start a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel, or teach AI art generation. You can make money from your blog or YouTube channel through affiliate marketing, paid subscriptions, or writing sponsored posts. You can also sell your own products. As for teaching AI art generation, you can create courses or organize workshops and monetize your knowledge. You can host your course on online learning platforms like Udemy and earn money by selling your knowledge. Midjourney has opened a massive opportunity for people to sell and earn by making visually stunning artwork. Whether you want to sell graphic books, stock photos, art prints, create AI content, or offer AI art generation as a service, the option is up to you. Thanks to Midjourney, you can now turn your passion into a profitable business venture. But remember to put in the time and effort to perfect your skills. So, enjoy the journey and take advantage of Midjourney and earn a steady stream of income. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, show some love by giving this video a thumbs up. Which method will you be using to make cool cash with Midjourney? Let me know in the comments. As always, I remain your AI bestie, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!